So that leads me to the practice of mindfulness or awareness. There's so many terms you can use: concentration, mindfulness, awareness, and so forth. Because we don't have much time, I can summarize it by saying what all these words, mindfulness, awareness, meditation, so forth, is saying is you pay attention to the reality with a non-judgmental mind, whatever it is. The problem arises is that when you judge others and you want others dance at the tune of your order, your dictation, just non-judgmental, accept as it is. Just as we observe the rain, similarly when we see people also, don't just judge them. Accept their reality, understand their reality. Then there will be conversation, proper conversation. Then there will be proper understanding. And also the benefit of mindfulness or awareness is, with mindfulness and awareness, when you are with yourself, you are calm, you are silent, then you are able to see many things in its true form. Then you see the uselessness of harming others, mistreating others, exploiting others. Because normally we don't think. Our mind is always running towards the external objects. And somebody said that in a day, more than 47% of our life remain totally distracted. There is a story of a Tibetan teacher who once asked his students, are you meditating, are you studying? The student said, yes sir, I'm studying, I'm meditating. He said, don't tell lie. Don't tell lie. Because in the whole night I saw you sleeping. In fact, half of our life we spend sleeping, right? Then in the day you get distracted here and distracted there, including food and so many things. So when do you get time to do this meditation, to do this practice? We really don't spend much time. So therefore it is really, really important, whatever you want to call it, meditation, mindfulness, whatever you want to call it, that doesn't matter. What is important is pay attention to the reality, the situation as it is happening right now. Live now. Don't just exist, but live. There's a difference between existing and living. Most of us are existing but not living. So we must live. Live means enjoy the present moment. Like for example, this gathering, this meeting, enjoy. It's a wonderful opportunity. So I normally tell people, today is cash, tomorrow is post-dated check. Okay, tomorrow nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Of course, we need to make certain plans, certain preparations, but the most important thing is if you pay attention to the now, future will be taken care of by your presence, by your practice, by your living today. Future will be taken care of. So that is basically mindfulness meditation. So therefore, to start with, people are asked to watch their breath. You see, it's so funny and so interesting. Now somebody has to tell you to look at yourself, to watch your breath, you see. It's really almost like a paradox. The right thing is you should be fully cognizant of what is happening in your body, in your mind, in your feeling, and of course in the rest of the phenomena also, but we are not. So that's why somebody has to tell you to meditate, to be mindful, to be aware, to be alert. And especially in today's world, people are so distracted by the things that is flooding in the market. Everybody says they're all for distraction. And all the so-called facilities that you get today, mobile phone, iPhone, and so many things, these are also distractions. If you know how to use it properly, it is useful. I'm not trying to be cynical. But if you misuse it, this is the real source of distraction. Because I've seen many young people, pong, then you sit. Then you're sitting there, pong, again you sit. Spend your whole day like going after this ping pong,